Hello?
Sorry, how far now?
I there. Wetin that's up now?
Your voice dey echo. You dey inside toilet?
Wetin concern you?
I know they like talk to people wey dey inside toilet.
That one concern you. How you dey enjoy your position for table? You dey feel where I there?
Leave that one first. I wan ask you something.
Uh-huh.
That El Classico ba? If you wan bet on top that match, wetin you go bet?
I no go bet am.
What if dem force you?
I no go stay bet am.
Why?
Violence go full that match.
What if dem point gun on top your head?
Back a win or draw.
No. I mean pick one outcome.
Ha! If that person want shoot me, make he shoot me now.
Okay. What if the person threaten to cut your blockers?
That match not draw match or I know that like that kind of play.
Liverpool Man City nko?
Now wow. That one na question.
E go soon cut your blockers.
What?
Now Haaland and Co go win am now.
Okay. Oga shit finish comot for that toilet jaw. The smell dey reach me for this side.
Oh my God.
You tell him.
E never take when I come back.
Oga Ancelotti and Xavi, una welcome.
Kobala, why you carry this Europa League candidate come here?
Say, Mr. Man, no call me Europa anything, no.
No be your final destination be that.
Group stage match never finish.
Wetin you mean? You want do miracle?
Anything dey possible.
To work on top water dey easier to achieve than to qualify from that your group oh.
Other clubs dey do am, we fit do am.
So you go knack Bayern 4-0, come trash Victoria 10-0.
If na wetin we gats do, we go do am.
Na so madness dey start oh.
Oga Xavi, una don win una last 2 El Clasicos. You dey confident say una go do am again?
Sure thing, our current backer dey capable of humbling Madrid.
It's like the Europa League where you dey destined for, never humble you.
I no dey go Europa.
Oga Ancelotti, we and Barca get the same point. How important this match go dey for the title chase?
The match could dey important, quite alright, but e no go tough.
Meaning?
Your experience as a coach shot like you.
Jesus is Lord.
Kubala, na lie I dey lie.
You think say you fit win me?
How I no go take win you? Benzema dey available. All the other times where you win me, the guy been get injury.
No dey give dirty excuse, Joe.
You never beat Inter Milan finish. Na defending champion you want to run your mouth on top.
It's like the 4-0 when I dash you never do you. Maybe I need to refresh your memory with another one.
See this short man oh.
No call me short man.
Wetin you be before?
I go change am for you.
Change am for me? See this person where I fit just match enter ground though.
I go change am for you here and for pitch. Bulldog.
Your disrespect done too much. Now you start this violence, but na me go finish am.
Violence wey dey before season start sef.
No problem.